Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. Today I have this lovely hair install for you of this lovely bob style wig. Perfect color for fall. It's very beginner friendly, very easy to install, short and sassy and cute, so stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, so let's get into it. So this is a wig that I got from Amazon. The company contacted me and wanted me to do a review for them. So this is a synthetic wig. So this is not human hair, this is synthetic. And I got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna leave all the links in the description. So I'm just showing you what came inside the package. That's the company's card and everything like that, with the care instructions on the back. And I think this came with stickers. I'm not sure if I put those stickers in there from another package I got, but I think it was from them. That's the wig cap that they had in there. It actually came with 2 wig caps, but I did open this before I'm showing you this on video, so that's why things are kind of opened already. So that's the wig itself. And yeah, it's a red wig. It has a bob, and it's an ombre because as you see, the roots are dark and then it gets to like a burgundy type of red, which I really love. I think it's perfect for fall. And you see there's a part right in the center, so it helps it to look really real. And yeah, so that's what the inside is looking like. It only has 2 clips. There's 2 clips in the front and no clip in the back. I was looking for the clip in the back, and then I realized that there is no clip in the back. Yeah, so in the back instead it has the elastic adjustable straps, so you can adjust it, and I'm about to just adjust it for myself before I put it on. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. It's still kind of messy, but it's a typical bob style where the back has the shorter layers and the layers get longer towards the front part in the center with a bang. Now I thought the bang on this one was going to be thicker. I found that the bang on this wig was really thin, and you'll see when I show it to you when it's on. But that's me putting it on, and then I just have to find pull it down in the back, and then in the front secure the 2 clips. I was having a little bit of difficulty doing it, but once I like located where the clips were, then I could fix it up or whatever. So you guys know that these wigs do not come perfect. You have to style it yourself. So you're gonna see me in this video showing you different styles that you can do with this wig. Like, you have to play around with it because everyone's face shape is different. Everyone, you know, may not wear the wig the same. So just play around with it. Don't get discouraged. And see. Yeah, so I'm just combing it through, and right away when I saw this, I was like, Kelly Rowland vibes, definitely, like back in the day when she was with Destiny's Child. Like just that little red hair bob with the front of it getting longer, and with the bit like that totally reminds me of her hairstyle back when she was with Destiny's Child. But so I'm just combing it out, and see, there's the bang. Like I was telling you, it doesn't have a full bang. The bang is very thin. I think I would have wanted it to be a bit thicker, because it's like no matter what I did to play with the bang, it was just so thin. I kept seeing, like, you know, seeing through the bang and seeing my forehead. So yeah, I tried to play with it as much as I could to try to find a way that I liked it. This was also reminding me of back in the day when we were getting relaxers, and I always did have a bang. I really did. When I used to have a relaxer years ago, I used to have a bang, and that's how I used to do it. So cute. It reminds me of those old days. I no longer have a relaxer. I have my natural hair, and it's growing long and healthy. I'll be doing some natural hair updates soon, but in the meantime, I'm having fun with these different looks. So I'm just giving you a full view of what it's looking like from the back. It looks very full in the back. I like that, and that's because of the layers. The shorter layers on the bottom and then longer layers on the top. It just gives you that fresh cut classic bob style. So I decided to just play with it. I thought it was looking too flat and I didn't like the way it looked, so I said, you know what, let me try to push it behind my ears so at least I can see my earrings, and I thought that looked better, so that's what I did. Still playing around with the bang because I didn't really too much like the bang, so I got some bobby pins and I decided to like slick the sides down to try to like put the hair behind my ears, because I liked the way that was looking and I wanted to make sure it stayed that way. So I'm just brushing it in place before I place the bobby pin to keep it the way I liked it when I put it behind my ears. Because if not, I felt like it looked too flat and it was just like coming on the sides of my, like, I don't know, I just really didn't like the way it looked. So yeah, and you could do it like that if you wanted to just do one side with it tucked behind your ear and then the other side not tucked behind your ear. That's what it would look like right there. So I give you a little bit of a view of that. See, so now I'm gonna just do the other side because I like the way it looks with both sides tucked behind the ear. So I'm just doing the same thing to the other side, brushing it down, tucking it behind my ear, and then getting a bobby pin to hold it in place. Yep, just slicking it down and putting that bobby pin right there to hold it in place. And I really like that. And you'll just, again, have to play with it, keep brushing it, whatever. You can use whatever you want. See, I love the way my earrings were showing. I had on heart earrings, so it just looked like a nice little look. Kind of reminds me of high school in a way, because I used to wear my hair like this. Not so short, but yeah, actually my hair was this short at one time when I had a bad hair experience and I had to cut my hair short. My hair actually has been this short. So now I'm just playing around with it. I wanted to see, okay, what would it look like if I just took the bang and split it in half, because I really didn't like the way that bang was looking so thin. So it's okay. I think I would have had to pull the wig down a little bit further so much forehead wasn't showing, but that's another option that you could try too. Then I didn't like it, so I was like, okay, let me try it with me swooping the hair to one side and then swooping it to the other, but not having the part directly in the center. And I think I like this one. This is how I used to wear my hair, and I really like this one. So this is the final look of it. So I really like this wig. It's a cute, short, fun wig that you could just throw on, and if you're in a rush, like, you can just literally just throw it on and just comb it through the way you saw. I didn't even need the curling iron or anything like that. Perfect. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this wig. I'll leave all the information in the description box. And yeah, definitely subscribe, like the channel, share the video, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.